Welcome to Sahanna Shows You. Today we're going to make tie-dye t-shirts. Tie-dye t-shirts. It's going to be so much fun. You can make cool patterns on the t-shirts or whatever you're tie-dyeing. Here's what you'll need. Dye, gloves, whatever you're dyeing, and paper bags, plastic bags. You need an area also to where you're going to dye it. Make sure you cover it with plastic so it doesn't get stained by the dye. Let's go make it! Yay! First, wash your shirts and leave them wet. Then, today we're going to do the crumple one style. So you just crumple it and tie it with rubber bands. Make sure it doesn't squish together when you tie it. I'm so excited. Once you're done crumpling, it's time to add the dye. Fill it with water halfway and shake it, then you can fill it all the way to the top. If there's a line, fill it all the way to the line. Once you mix your colors, time to dye. But be careful. Make sure that the colors don't mix or you can get colors that you don't want. You need to wear gloves at this point when you squeeze the colors in. I'm wearing gloves. Let's do that. After you're done dyeing your shirts, put each shirt in a separate bag let it sit for 6 to 24 hours. It depends on how vibrant you want your colors. It's been 12 hours. Now we're going to open our tie-dye t-shirt. Wow. Yeah. Now we're going to rinse the extra dye out in water. Then we're going to put it in the washing machine. After you're done rinsing out the extra dye with water, you can put it in a cold wash cycle. After you're done washing, hang them to dry and then you can start enjoying wearing them. They look so pretty. I'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is my blue shirt.